So the next component what we need to configure is the pool member. A pool member is nothing but an identification of a service. When I say that identification of a service along with IP address, the respective port number is also going to be referred. So already we have identified the server with the help of a node. Now that node is going to be called inside a pool as a pool member. So along with the port, the service is going to be identified. So as we had the discussion earlier, every node can be running with multiple application. So every application as part of the node distribution is going to be referred inside a pool. So that's the reason we call this as a pool member. So the pool member is nothing but identification of the service with the help of an IP address and a port number, right? So the same service or the same pool member can be part of one single pool or can also be part of more than one pool. So in the sense what? The same service can be referred in more than one pool, or you can run multiple services on the server, and every service could also be referred into the pool member. So in that sense, we are saying that one, and every pool member could be part of a single pool, could also be part of more than one pool. So here in this case, you can see that one, the earlier design is what? We had the server was identified as a node with the help of an IP address. Now, the servers are identified inside the pool as a pool member along with the service. In my case, I have all 5 servers running with the services called as a web service. I have a service hosted on all these servers called as what? Genesis.com. So I'm just going to be configuring the pool and the pool member. So the pool is going to be named as Genesis Web Pool, and also going to be referring the pool's member as a node along with the port number. Already I have created the node as JTS SVR1. Now I'm going to be referring the port number as 80. Let's see how they are going to be referred or how they are going to be configured. Now let's get into the configuration. Okay, so now the next step is what? We just need to start creating the pool. As part of the pool creation, we are also going to be referring the pool members. That's what we are trying to do. You have two choices for creation. I can get into the pools and pool list and then I can create. See here, I can create it. Or else I also have the choice pool. Can you see the plus symbol here? When I click on this plus symbol, it will be allowing me to create the pool, right? So I'm going to be creating the pool. The name of the pool as per the guideline is what? Genesis underscore web underscore pool one. That is what I just need to create. The name of the pool is what? JUNISYS underscore web underscore pool one. That is the pool that I'm creating it, right? So the next step is what? I just need to refer the members of it. See, I can see this, the new node or new fully qualified node or the node list. The node list are nothing but the nodes whatever I have created will be listed here. Let's see that JTS server 1, the port is going to be what? 80 added. One more server, port 80 added. One more server added. One more server added. So I have 4 servers, four servers with the service running has been identified. Just for an example, let's say this finished. Let's say that this is finished. I have created the portal, means the Genesis web pool. Inside that I can see the members as what? 4 members. I can see the members. See, the members are being identified there, port number also. But again, one more thing. If I go to the properties, members, I could also add a new member here. When I say add new member, you can see that one. So I can say the new one, the new address could also be added. Let me say that test node. That's what I'm giving. The address is being given as 10.2.0.5. The service is what? HTTP. Say finished. So this node has not been created first. So this node is being referred as the pool is being created. Now if I go to the node and node list, you can see the next node is being created. So this is what we are talking as what? the dynamic creation of the node. So first I have created all 4 nodes, and then I was referring this into the pool. Now inside the pool I was creating a new pool member, and then by the time I defined this node, so the node is also being created. This is the dynamic creation. So we have created the pool called as what? Genesis Web Pool 1. Inside that we have 5 members. I don't want this 5th member. Let me go ahead and remove it. So I have only 4 members.